Guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix EA download error. So the first thing what you need to do here is to locate your EA shortcut, and so it will be this one, and then you need to right click on it, go to open file location, and you need to find EA launcher here, and then you need to right click on it, then go to properties, compatibility, and make sure to select this option, run this program as administrator, press apply and OK. And then another thing that we need to do here is to delete EA cache files. And to do so, you just need to, on search, just write run. You will get this basically bar here. And what you need to do here, you need to write percentage sign, local app data, percentage sign, press apply, press OK. And then here you need to find some folders. So you need to find EA Connect Microsoft, EA Desktop, EA Launch Helper, and EA Electronic Arts. And what you need to do here is you need to delete all these 4 folders, right? And if you're getting this message, so somewhere EA is running on your computer, so you need to open up Task Manager. And as you can see here, we need to look. Here EA is running. Here background services is running, and probably we are done here. And don't worry about deleting these files, it's just cache files, it will not affect your app. So try again. As you can see here, now files is deleted, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then you need to basically install missing DLL files on your computer. So open your browser. First of all, write DirectX download, and then just go to the website, basically official Microsoft.com website. And as you can see here, we need to wait for a few seconds and then select the language and download basically a setup here. Same thing with Microsoft Visual C++. Enter the Microsoft official website and download this architecture x64, right, to desktop. And once it's downloaded, then what you need to do here is to install it. I accept. If you don't want Bing bar, just toggle this down. As you can see here, it's initializing, and I will install it shortly here. You can see here, it's installing super fast and easy. And after you install this file, another one will be this one. As you can see here, I agree, install, yes. And after the files are installed, what you need to do here next is to restart your computer, and then you need to check if the problem persists or not. But probably it will fix your problem, right? So that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.